Mr. Paul, I've reviewed your recent tests and it appears that a pacemaker might be necessary to regulate your heart rhythm.
A pacemaker? I'm not sure how I feel about that, Dr. Mihira.
It's a common procedure that can significantly improve your quality of life. A pacemaker is a small device implanted under your skin to help your heart beat at a regular rhythm.
I'm worried about the risks involved. Will I be able to live a normal life after the procedure?
The procedure is generally safe, and the risks are minimal. Once the pacemaker is implanted, you should be able to resume most of your normal activities. There may be some temporary discomfort or restrictions following the surgery, but these will subside.
Dr. Mihira, I'm also concerned about the appearance of the pacemaker. Will it be noticeable?
The pacemaker is quite small and discreet. It will be implanted under your skin, and the incision will heal quickly. Once healed, it will be barely visible.
Mihira, let's talk now about some strategies for managing Emily's fever at home, and then we can discuss when it's important to seek further medical help. I want to describe some common and effective strategies for managing fever at home. I'll suggest things like keeping her hydrated, dressing her in light clothing, and using lukewarm sponging if necessary. Finally, I want to advise you about when you should seek further medical attention. For example, if the fever persists beyond 3 days, or if she becomes very lethargic or develops any new concerning symptoms. Firstly, hydration is key, as we discussed. Keep encouraging her to drink fluids regularly. Don't worry too much if she's not eating much solid food right now. Fluids are more important. Dress her in light, comfortable clothing. Avoid overdressing her even if she feels a bit cold to touch sometimes. That can actually trap heat. If her fever remains high and she feels very uncomfortable, you can try lukewarm sponging, using a damp cloth with lukewarm water to gently sponge her skin, especially her forehead, armpits, and groin. Avoid cold water or ice, as that can make her shiver and actually increase her internal temperature. Regarding when to seek further medical attention, it's important to watch out for a few things. If her fever persists for more than 3 days, or if it goes very high and isn't responding to fever medicine, you should bring her back to see a doctor. Also, if you notice any new symptoms developing, like difficulty breathing, excessive drowsiness, or lethargy, meaning she's unusually sleepy and hard to wake up, or if she develops a rash or starts vomiting repeatedly, these would be reasons to seek medical help sooner rather than later. Does that make sense, Mihira?